Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON G7. In this video I'll show you how to unlock and lift up the hood. In the beginning, take a look under the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Pull it and the hood is unlocked. Now we have to find second lever, which is mostly located in the center of the hood. Sometimes it can be located on the side. Push the lever and you can lift the hood up. The lever is located here. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.